Doing a walkthrough video of Unit 505 here at University Towers. We're going to start in the lobby where you exit the elevator, and then you can see where you come into the unit. This unit is going on the market here in October of 2022. And this coming weekend is the Vanderbilt game, and it is rented for a nightly rental this weekend. So this will be the main preview we can give you until next week. This is Unit 505 University Towers, a 1-bedroom, 1-bath condo. 131 East Broad Street, Unit 505 is the location. And the address, it is located right across from UGA's campus. And this unit actually has a good bit of upgrades that we're going to start right off showing you. As you can see here in the kitchen, we have upgraded countertops, upgraded sink, stainless steel appliances. You see the cabinets are in good shape. All the furniture will remain with the sale except the mirror that you see to the left right here as we look out over the living area. As you come back, you can see the dishwasher to your left. You have a storage area right here to the right of the door. Now, for the nightly rental, that's probably good, but I have seen some people turn that into basically a bar scenario or maybe a coffee bar. Thermostat here, living space. Do want to show you the air conditioning system, which is right there, has been updated and is not an issue for a new owner. There's the mirror that won't remain. All other furnishings will. Now, one other thing that makes this unit really nice, a lot of units in this complex that are 1-bedrooms are what they call studios, which is just one large room with the kitchen. But this actually has a separate total bedroom. And as you can see, pretty big living space. It's 724 square feet. This closet right here represents a little bit of extra storage. Step back this way to give you a little bit more idea of the space. It feels nice and bright and clean. This is facing out towards the Atlanta side of Athens. And of course, the other side of that wall is UGA's North Campus. There is one other thing that I'm going to mention here that makes this unit kind of a big deal. And that is the washer and dryer. As you can see my reflection a little bit. Most units have to use a common washer and dryer area down on the second floor in this building. But this unit is able to use its own washer dryer. There's the bathroom. As you can see, it has some upgrades. We're going to end here on the bedroom. Another window. And then you get an idea of the space. So $284,900 is going to be our asking price. It is sold furnished. There are a few more nightly rentals for Georgia football games on the weekends that will have to be honored by a new owner. Other than that, it will be ready for owner occupancy. And we're going to end here right here on the kitchen. So $284,900. 131 East Broad Street, Unit 505, 5mrealty.com, or you can find it on YouTube at Live, Retire, Invest, Athens GA.